Affiliate marketing from scratch, coming right up. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Des McKinney, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing from scratch. So, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a free gift as well. And the benefits of watching this video to the end is you learn how to do affiliate marketing from scratch step by step. So, let's jump into today's content. So, guys, there's basically only three things you need to know to be successful with affiliate marketing from scratch. So, basically, the first step is basically you need to pick a niche. So, basically, a niche is basically something you're passionate about or you have a hobby for or something like that. So if you don't have a niche, you're not going to be successful with affiliate marketing because if you don't know your targeting audience of your dream customers or anything like that, then you're not going to make sales with affiliate marketing. So you have to be niche down with your niche, the people you're trying to reach out to and target to. So basically, what I recommend the niches to choose from is basically evergreen niches. So you might ask me, what is basically evergreen niche? So evergreen niche is basically something that is always going to have problems and that always can be solved with ease. So basically, evergreen niches are the basically three tips. I mean, the basically three things that all human beings need. So everybody needs love, everybody needs money, and everybody needs to work out or have to be fit. So that's basically three niches. So health, wealth, love, and happiness. So that's basically the top three. So you need to know to the niches to pick from to be successful online. So those are the evergreen niches. So I advise you to pick one of those and stick to one of those and start pumping out content within those niches to be successful online. Because if you don't have those, then you're just gonna be looked out and you're not gonna make any money online. And then you're gonna wonder why you're not making sales. So I advise you don't be that person. So just choose one niche at a time. So if you're trying to make money, if you're trying to do a make money online niche, stick to that niche. And then once you start making sales in that niche, then you can start hopping to the fitness niche. And then once you start making sales in that niche, then you can hop into the dating or the relationship niche. So pick one niche at a time. So just stick to one. Now the second step of being successful online and started from scratch with affiliate marketing is basically pick a traffic source. Basically, a traffic source is basically something like free traffic or paid traffic. So traffic is basically which stands for basically getting people to your lead magnet or anything like that. So anything that's for free, you can offer to your customer and basically backfill them in your business. So basically, you can get free traffic like right now, like I'm doing to you, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, a blog, or anything like that. So basically, paid traffic is basically like Instagram ads, Instagram story ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and Google ads. So anything like that. So basically, what I recommend you to do is basically stick to one traffic source at a time because if you choose like 10 different traffic sources for a beginner, you're not going to be successful because you're not focused on one traffic source. What my mentor basically told me is basically stick to one traffic source at a time until you start getting results with that traffic source. So if you're doing YouTube, I advise you to recommend you to stick with YouTube because it has the power to like make sales while you're sleeping because it's search engine optimization, which people can like look up the keywords you're ranking for, and basically you start making sales from YouTube. So with YouTube, it takes a lot more investment and time, and it's a slower process than any other platform out there, but it's well worth your time because people are consistently looking up different keywords and different topics to look for YouTube. And a study shown that like 80% of 80% of in the future is going to be more videos than pictures. So I advise you to stick with YouTube for the long term. So basically, if you're not willing to stick with YouTube for the long term, then I don't know what other platforms that you should choose because YouTube is like the number one right now. That's getting traffic for a lot of marketers right now. So I advise you to go with YouTube. So with paid traffic, I advise you to go with Facebook ads because you can easily track everything down from clicks to the target audience and niche down more to like men. So let's say like you're trying to target women to lose weight, right? Then you can target women to lose weight between the ages of 60 to 65 years old. So that's basically a good targeting because you can target who you want to target to make sales within your affiliate marketing business. So I advise you go with Facebook ads for paid traffic and then free traffic. I advise you go with YouTube. The third step and the last step basically is sticking with one product at a time. I can't stress this enough for new people that's going online because they think one product is going to do it for them, and then they get the signing object syndrome, which basically said for people just like hopping from one thing to the next opportunity to the next opportunity to the next opportunity. So just stick to one platform. So if you're not getting results with one product at a time, just stick with that one product and start till you start getting results, and then you can start hopping to another product at a time. Because trust me, that product, whatever you're promoting, is probably getting results. You just need to find a way how to promote it the right way, or just get the right traffic source for the right product. So basically, I advise you stick on one product at a time, and do not get the shiny object syndrome like most people do get online, because they see a product that's probably like high ticket, like $1,000, and then versus the $10 product, because the $10 product might be selling easier because it's low ticket. For one, it's low ticket, and two, it might have better conversion rate. But the high ticket product is not gonna have it's gonna have low conversion rate because it's higher ticket for one, and then two, it costs a lot, so people have to put more investment into that product. So you see the difference. So would you rather promote an offer that has high converting offers where you can make that 10 times or more, or a high ticket product which has low conversions but it has a high ticket price on it? So you can choose the difference between the one. So I advise you just stick with one product at a time, and so you can be successful online. So that's the one mistake I see new people make online with making money online, is they try to go for multiple products at a time and start promoting it, and then they wonder why they're not making sales in their business. So just stick to one product at a time, and just go with the flow of that product. Now, the bonus tip I want to give you is basically you got to stay consistent with all the tips I just gave you, because if you're not going to stay consistent, then there's no point of me giving you the advice, because then you're just wasting your time, and then you're just going to feel left out of making money online with affiliate marketing. So if you're not going to stay consistent with all these three tips I just gave you, then there's no whole point. So basically, I'm gonna jump into my notepad, and I'm gonna show you the three steps you need to do for affiliate marketing to be successful. So it's basically three simple steps you need to do. So I'm gonna show you right now. So there's basically a three-step process with affiliate marketing from scratch. So basically, there's so you got traffic, which is step number one, and then step number two is landing page. So basically that stands for LP. So a landing page where people come to your free offer, and then you're gonna promote your offer, and then they come to the sales page. So SP stands for sales page. So basically you get free traffic from like Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. So that's where I put FB, YT, and IG. So that's where you get traffic. So you can do paid traffic as well. So you can do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or YouTube ads. And then once you get traffic, you're gonna send them to your landing page, which contains you getting their email, and you collecting their name to build your email marketing list. So that's for another topic. So if you want to know how to do email marketing with affiliate marketing, then I'm gonna put a link above this video. So basically, once you come to the landing page, once they click this the button to go to the sales page, they're gonna buy this product, and then that's where you make big sales in your business. So either low ticket or um, high ticket um, high ticket sales. So basically, that's the basic three-step process with affiliate marketing. So basically, you get traffic, you send them to a landing page with the traffic you're getting either with free traffic or paid traffic, and then you send them to the sales page, and then once they buy, you make money online. So that's basically the three-step process with affiliate marketing. So the free gift I want to give you is basically a free affiliate marketing ebook. It will teach you how to get started from A to Z, and all the ins and outs you need to know with affiliate marketing, and what steps to avoid as a beginner as an affiliate marketer. So if you want access to it, make sure you click the first link in my description. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you also turn on post notification. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like and comment on this video, because it gives me more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure to go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.